Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of this JCC rain cover for cameras essentially. So you can just keep your camera dry. If it's raining outside, if you want to do some photography or filming with your tripod and it starts raining, you can just essentially just put it in the camera, keep your camera dry to avoid water damage to your equipment. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to unbox this. As you can see, it comes with two pieces. So you got one as a spare. So we're going to do, we're just going to open it up and just see what's inside. We're just going to see the quality of this to see if it's any good. So it comes with this bag. We're going to open up the bag, and then we get two of these rain covers for your camera. And yeah, we're going to test the performance of it. I've got two of them. You can keep one as a spare, and if one just doesn't really perform as well, you can have the second one. So as you can see, we're going to now just open it up. It's basically just a normal cover bag, but it's got this nylon on there, so you can actually just essentially just keep it on. And then it's like on both sides you can just have your camera, you could just tighten this up by your lens and then just hide this on the other side of the tripod. So yeah, it's well, without further ado, let's get this on the camera. We're gonna see how it feels to use and if it's any good or not. So I'm gonna switch cameras. Alright, so I've got the camera here, which is what I was just filming with. What we're gonna do now, we're going to put this camera protector on to see how it performs. So first of all, we're going to put this on the camera. So you can either put it through this way or you can just put it through the other way. I'm just going to try and put it through this way for now. Put the camera inside and essentially just tie this up and then just essentially expose the lens only. If I just want to get clear photos, don't want to interfere with my shoot, just have it over here, make it as tight as possible so that it does not come off. And then essentially I can just put my hands in here and I can just start shooting photos while it's raining away. So really convenient. And then I can just take photos like that. Lens is still exposed, so if the lens is weather sealed, you could just easily take good photos. And then you can just keep your hands dry, you can keep your camera dry. And of course you've got a spare one, so if this gets a hole or damage, you can switch to that. So yeah, it's a really good cover. And then also you can actually even put your tripod on here, which I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my camera on here. So this is actually a quick release mount which I've got. I'll make another video on that, which I'll put in the description. So yeah, we've got the camera on this quick release mount. So I've got the rain cover over here. And it's essentially just put your camera on here. So yeah, you can have a really long lens on here. If you've got a really long lens, you could just essentially just put that on and you can keep everything dry, essentially keep your equipment dry. I'm gonna just tighten this up just as an example. The good thing about this is you can easily just tighten. That's the main feature of this. Instead of using a normal plastic bag, have this always in your bag and then just essentially just keep your camera dry. Really, really handy. Then you just, it's really easy to just remove as well. Just fold it away. So as you can see, it comes in this elbow shape, so it's not actually completely straight. It's got a turn in here, as you can see, and you just completely just put this in your camera bag when you next need it in the rain. So yeah, I'm going to now end this video here now. I hope you found this video useful and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.